Brentspeed. Thanks for watching Brentspeed TV. A couple things today. Of course, I got another GT350 behind me right here on the lift. I want to show you something real quick on this car that we've never really looked at before. If you like GT350 videos, don't forget to stick around to the end. I'm going to put a link, about 20 plus more that are Whipple supercharged, all kinds of cool mods. So if you're that GT350 fan out there, you're going to like it. So a couple things: subscribe, hit notify. The little video you just watched where the car was driving around, I was like ripping on it. Did you notice something a little bit different about this one? It's the Ford Performance lowering kit and Ford Performance sway bars, which you're not going to be able to tell. Just watch me drive by. Hey, but Doug's with me. Walk over here real quick. So we already got this car built. We're not going to take it all back apart, but I'm going to let you take a little bit of peek right here. It's a Ford Performance rear sway bar. We did the front sway bar and then the Ford Performance lowering springs. And here's what's crazy about this is the GT350, you know when you buy it, road race car, it's already an awesome setup out of the box. But I'm telling you right now, these two parts, and I will put a link in the description of the sway bars, front and rear, the lowering springs, night and day difference around a corner. Sweet setup. I love driving the car, and I always love driving 350s, but with this on here, it's really amazing difference between factory and then the Ford Performance setup. So again, link in the description. But I'm gonna get this car off the lift. We're gonna go in the dyno cell. We're gonna check out the Whipple, all the other mods. We're gonna make a dyno pull. Check it out. Okay, before we go look at the killer setup on this 18 GT350, the Whipple supercharger, and the other mods I want to tell you about, I want to apologize. I'm going to make a better point next time than when we're installing the suspension to get underneath the car so you can see it going on. I know that's hard to see, but it's already finished. I just wanted to try to take a peek for you, tell you a little bit more about it. But Doug, follow me over here. Here's our standard setup we do on 350. It's the Gen 5 intercooled Whipple. You get the big throttle body, of course, injectors. We do like to do the oversized heat exchanger because we're all about cooling on this high compression engine. And this is the standard Whipple kit, 93 octane with the Whipple calibration. Cooling mods, rear cylinder head cooling kit, cooler thermostat, our Adler radiator, we have that on here, billet oil pump gear. So that's kind of like the three things: cooling mods, the Whipple, the oil pump gears. That's what we love doing on 350s. And remember, videos at the end, you're gonna see a lot more of these with a lot more dyno pulls, a lot of dyno numbers. But that's it right there. We'll get it strapped down with a couple dyno pulls, see what it makes. Okay, here we go. Here's the numbers. Love it. Pretty much the same as the last few I've done. And honestly, here in Indiana, we're talking about 90 degrees right now, maybe 88. Not quite as humid as it's been the last couple weeks. But here we go, 749. Rear wheel horsepower, Dynojet SAE, 8,000 RPM. Torque came in great, 537 at 5,300 RPM. Sweet setup for a GT350 that has the Whipple calibration, 93 octane. Stock exhaust manifold, stock cats. I mean, besides the cooling mods, the oil pump gears, and the Whipple, the car's stock, except for the suspension I showed you earlier. So maybe you're like, hey, what's it cost to get my 350 built? You can email quote@brentspeed.com. Check that description, a bunch of links in there for you. Leave comments, I'm happy to answer. But that's it, another sweet GT350. Love doing them. We do them here all the time. Check out brentspeed.com. Thanks for watching.